Hello everyone, this is a quick demo on how you can create an employee detail master in iQ-Metallika ERP systems. For this, you need to open up your Google browser and type in a URL here, which is login.iqmetallika.com. You can see here it's login.iqmetallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login homepage. Now every user of iQ-Metallika has their own unique login ID and password, which is given by admin department to them. So you need to type in that ID and password here. After that, just keep on pressing enter button to select the company, site and the year, or the module in which you want to enter. So let's say we're gonna make employee detail master, which comes under procurement. So we'll select procurement here. Press enter, and this is the home page for the procurement management. Now when move to the upper left hand side of the form, you can see masters here. Now I click the masters, you can see different type of masters here. Now here is the employee detail. In the employee detail, we have three different type of masters: department, designation and the employee. All three would be covered in the same video. So we'll start with the department master. Here we can define a department. We all know we have different departments in our organization. There are production, there are IT, there are HR, there are finance. So there are different masters. They could be mechanical, civil, etc. Right? So we can define a new department or any department in iQ-Metallika system. Alright? So for this, firstly, we need to press insertion mode button, because without pressing insertion mode button, we're not able to save any data into iQ-Metallika system. So insertion mode button can be found on the upper left hand side of the screen with the green color cross on it. You can see this is insertion mode button. When I click this button, my form would be highlighted. Alright, so department code is something which is generated by the system automatically. So we need to type in the department name. So let's say the department would be human resource, HR, right? Again, I'll press enter, and yes, we want to save. So my record is saved. This is very simple to create any department. So to exit, we just come to this side, and this is the button to exit. I'll click this, and yes. So after creating department, our next step would be to create the designation. Alright, so we know the designation could be IT manager, product manager, project manager, engineer, labor, gatekeeper, director, MD, chairman, managers, area sales managers. Right, so we can define any designation master in this system. So again, we need to press the insertion mode button. Now again, the designation with the designation code, and the designation code will be generated by the system automatically. So let's say the production manager. Alright, I'm creating production manager. Press enter again, and yes, we want to save. My record is saved. So we just created the department and the designation. Exit from here. Now it's time to create employee master. Alright, so here again we need to press insertion mode button, which is this side. I'll click this button, and my form is highlighted. So employee code will be generated by the system automatically. Now name, so let's say the name is Helena. Alright, and the address, let's say the address will be 123 Street, Chennai. Okay, now the city, so city would be Chennai. The phone number, let's say the phone number is this. Now the email, it's not mandatory. So experience, if you want to enter, date of birth, fax, date of joining, mobile, you can just add all the details here. And 6 years, so gender would be female for her. Okay, so now we should understand why we are creating employee master. Whenever a new person joins our company or organization, we should give him the employee code. So that employee code will be generated here after when we'll make employee master for that particular employee. So in this we'll create details or master for that particular employee whomsoever is joining our company, alright, with the date of joining, date of birth, experience, all the details. Now the next step, if you want to add date of birth, you can add. I'm skipping this. Date of joining, let's skip this, and here other details. So when I click the employee department, you can see there are 4 departments. Human resource, we just created human resource department and it reflects here in the employee master. Alright, so I'll take this. Now the employee designation, you can see data analyst, director, head, director, HOD, the production manager. We just created production manager designation and it is reflecting it here. Okay, I'll take this. If you want to add the qualification, skills, employee grade, employee role, then you can add, but I'm skipping this portion. So our next step is to save the record. So for saving, we just move to the upper side and you can see a floppy button over here just next to the insertion mode button. This is for saving. So when I click this button, system would ask, do you want to save record, and I'll say yes, and my record is saved. So now to exit, we'll go here and yes. So this is how you can create employee detail master with the employee master designation and the department all consolidatedly. Alright, hope this video would help you.